For a perfect, healthy and glowing skin, regular skincare routine is very important, and for this I trust only Bakson's herbal products. I use their Sunny Herbals face wash gel, scrub and face mask in my skincare routine. Enriched with extracts of neem, tulsi, aloe vera and calendula, this face wash gel removes excess oil and provides essential moisture, making the skin look fresh all day long. It is specially formulated to cleanse impurities, maintain the skin's natural balance and prevent pimples. Bakson's face scrub with aloe vera removes dead skin and helps in cell renewal. It also contains extracts of cucumber and papaya, which tone the skin and help your skin breathe. Finally, I use Bakson's mud pack, which contains aloe vera, neem, tulsi and lemon that keeps the skin smooth, healthy and radiant. These skincare products are available on Homeonherbs website, from where you can order them and get great discount offers. Cash and delivery option is also available. International customers can order these products from homeonherb.com and get delivery in any country within 7 to 8 days. Apart from this, there are many homeopathic products available on this website which you can purchase at reasonable prices.